How do you change to married filing separately on TurboTax? To do that, we need to go to the My Info section. On the left-hand side, you're going to see your 2024 taxes and click My Info. Inside of here, you're going to go to Your Info here at the top and review it or edit it, whatever this little drop-down says. But you can edit your information. We can skip through whatever you've already put in here that is correct. And then you're going to be on a page as we continue through that asks about your marital status. And so you can click married filing jointly or plan to file separately. And so once you select that, you can continue on. It may ask about your spouse or say, if you don't have all the information for your spouse input yet, it may ask for some of that information here, which you can skip or continue on, whatever applies to your situation. So you can click continue and save all of that to get back to your status here, which you'll see your filing status now says married filing separately instead of joint or vice versa. And that's how you can change to married filing separately on TurboTax.